Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I went to O'Reilly's and found another Hot Wheels monster truck. They finally had a truck from Case L, which is one of the newer cases from Hot Wheels monster trucks. They only had one of the 5 new ones that are in this case. Yeah, which one do you think it is? You can probably tell from the stats in the back of the packaging because it pretty much gives it away. It is the Hot Wheels Special Forces Tactical Unit. So yeah, this is a very awesome truck, and yeah, let's unbox it. Alright, so here is the little crush car. We've pretty much gotten a lot of those, and here is the actual monster truck. So it's got 3D graphics, textured graphics, kind of like a blackout truck. It's got like this camo green color, pretty awesome. It's got the trophy truck body, yellow beadlocks, black rims, charcoal chrome chassis, and black roll cage. Yeah, so let's take a look at the in-depth graphics. So it's got grill printing on the hood. It says Hot Wheels Special Forces and then Tactical Unit with a little stripe. And then the Hot Wheels logo. It says Hot Wheels Special Forces on the roof there with the stripe on the side. It's got the little textured fenders. You got the Monster Trucks logo. It says Tactical Unit. Then the Hot Wheels Special Forces badge, and then the Hot Wheels logo. And then Hot Wheels Special Forces right there again. Pretty awesome. Tailgate. You got the H.W.S.F badge, Hot Wheels logo. And then the Tactical Unit font right there, if it'll focus. Come on. Yeah, there we go. And same thing on this side. So yeah, pretty awesome truck. This will make its debut in Sime Series number 30. So yeah, I look forward to that. And yeah, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Thank you for watching, and peace out.